Look, I just made some commissions. In fact, I made $645 in less than 24 hours. And all I had to do was decide how much I wanted to get paid, hit the spin button, and let the AI do the rest, making me 100% commissions in the hottest industry on the planet right now, software. The Space Age app did everything for me, creating the software product, building a website that pays me 100% commissions, even getting 100% free buyer traffic. There was no hard work and absolutely no costs involved. All I did was click spin to start making commissions every minute, and each spin made me anywhere from $170 all the way up to $11,000. Best of all, this pays multiple streams of income, from ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and many more. In fact, deciding where to send the money is about the only thing the AI won't do for you. Sounds incredible, I know, but how is this possible? Because of a loophole that my software developer found inside the $624 billion software industry. Hey, Rich Williams here. And just a few months ago, I discovered a strange new pure profit method. Something that lets me make 100% commissions without me using my brain. Something that makes high-tech profits, but for low-tech people like me. I'll explain how it works in a second. But first, you need to understand, the software business is huge. It's a $600 billion opportunity. That's almost $2 billion a day, $100 million an hour, or $2 million a minute. Imagine grabbing a slice of that cash mountain right from your laptop. And this is only possible because of a loophole I discovered, and a single app that exploits it. An app called Pulsar. Pulsar automates everything needed to make daily cash from this new opportunity. Go ahead and make some sales. If you think this is not for you, I'll refund your money, no questions asked. Order right now. Click the link below this video. You'll get instant access to the software and all the bonuses as soon as you join. And I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. Remember, I'm here to help you succeed. But you must act now. Sorry, but with an offer this good, there are no second chances. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page. Enter your information and then confirm your payment. You'll get instant access to my software within under a minute. Don't miss out. Okay, thanks for checking out Pulsar, and I'll see you on the inside.